Hey everyone, this is Jesse with FarmingSeattle.com, and I wanted to do a video of all the tomato plantings that we're doing. Basically, it's potting up hundreds of tomatoes into paper cups, and we're using this is Cedar Grove organic compost for that. These were grown in trays. They're in the greenhouse. These are Abraham Lincoln tomatoes. I think I had Stupus tomatoes. So normally I just plant them in trays. They're in the greenhouse for a couple weeks, and at this height, they're about an inch tall. They only have one set of leaves on there, and then I will transplant them into whatever I'm planting in. So this year we're going to try 16-ounce cups. These are from Costco. They're just paper cups. I think I got 160 of them or so for $10, maybe $8. So I've seen someone do it, and hopefully it works out pretty well. Just to kind of get started, I'll show one of them, but I'll just dig up the roots from the bottom, like so, and very carefully I'll separate them out. Those guys are stuck together, but this one's not. So that's the root and the tomato plant. See if we can get it to focus. Come on. There we go. So tomato plant, root, and then I'll just make a hole in one of these and kind of place it in there and firm it up against that. And that's it. So we got, make sure you label your cups. So I'm just using a Sharpie to label all these guys, make sure I don't get them all mixed up, which I usually do every year. So that was another bonus to using the paper cups. So label them, we'll get them planted, and we'll probably have to water them every day because they're in the paper cups. And then we might give them compost, but they should grow pretty well. Usually I just use straight compost every year, and they grow just fine, and they grow pretty quick in the greenhouse. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and if you want some plants, $5 plant sale right now in Seattle. I have thornless blackberries, goji berries, everything's $5. Try and clear out everything, because I need to plant some jalapenos that are right there. But that's all that stuff. Thanks for watching. Catch up with you later.